OpenAI reveals new ChatGPT PRO version, revolutionizing conversational AI. Artificial intelligence has come a long way since its inception, and with each passing year, we are getting closer to creating machines that can mimic human intelligence. One area where AI has made significant progress is conversational AI, the ability of machines to engage in natural, human-like conversations with humans. Recently, OpenAI, one of the leading research organizations in the field of artificial intelligence, has revealed their latest development, the new ChatGPT PRO version. This advanced chatbot is built on the GPT and is expected to revolutionize the field of conversational AI. What are some potential use cases for ChatGPT PRO, and how might it transform the field of conversational AI? Before watching the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting content. ChatGPT PRO is designed to be more intelligent and capable than its predecessors, and it has the potential to transform the way businesses and organizations interact with their customers. With its ability to understand context, generate natural-sounding responses, and learn from past conversations, ChatGPT PRO is poised to deliver a more personalized and human-like experience for users. One of the key features of ChatGPT PRO is its ability to understand complex questions and provide accurate answers, even in highly specialized fields such as medicine, finance, and law. This makes it an invaluable tool for professionals who require quick and accurate information. For example, a doctor could use ChatGPT PRO to provide patients with information about their medical conditions and treatments, while a financial advisor could use it to answer complex investment questions. Moreover, ChatGPT PRO's natural language processing capabilities make it possible for users to interact with the chatbot as if they were talking to another human being. This level of interaction can lead to better engagement and satisfaction with users, as they feel more understood and heard. With ChatGPT PRO, businesses and organizations can provide a more personalized experience for their customers, leading to higher retention rates and increased customer loyalty. The potential applications of ChatGPT PRO are vast, and it can be used across different industries. In customer service and support, for example, ChatGPT PRO can assist in handling customer inquiries and providing them with solutions to their problems. It could also be used in sales and marketing, helping businesses to identify customer needs and preferences and providing them with relevant products and services. In the education sector, ChatGPT PRO can be used to create virtual tutors and learning assistants that can help students with their studies. It could also be used in healthcare, where it can help patients to better understand their medical conditions and treatments, and provide them with information about preventive measures. However, as with any new technology, there are also concerns about its impact on society. Some experts have raised concerns about the potential misuse of advanced AI chatbots and the ethical implications of using them in fields such as law and medicine. For instance, using ChatGPT PRO in the field of law raises concerns around the accuracy and bias of the information provided by the chatbot. Similarly, using it in healthcare raises concerns about the quality of the advice provided by the chatbot, which can have serious implications on the patient's health. Despite these concerns, there is no doubt that ChatGPT PRO represents a significant step forward in the development of conversational AI. As more businesses and organizations adopt this technology, we can expect to see a major shift in the way we interact with technology and each other. In the future, we may see chatbots like ChatGPT PRO becoming more ubiquitous, enabling more human-like interactions across different industries. The development of ChatGPT PRO also highlights the ongoing advancements in the field of AI and its potential to transform different areas of society. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see more sophisticated applications that will enable us to solve complex problems and create new opportunities. However, we must also remain vigilant about the potential risks. So what is your opinion about new ChatGPT PRO and how it can change the way institutional businesses interact with their customers? I would be glad to see your answer in the comments.